The customer gave us a call and we spoke, brought in the crane truck, my tools, and we troubleshoot the lift station. The amperage, it was just too high, 45 amp. We went ahead and I spoke with the owner and I explained to them and I said, hey, we need to pull the pumps. It may be rag jammed up in the impellers, so let's take a look at that. We went ahead and pulled the pumps, inspect the impellers. It was no rags jammed up in the impellers, trash built up, cast iron, calcium from human, solids from human, trash, I would say feminine product, toilet paper. It's all built up into the pump. Therefore, the pump was getting hot. It was just drawing. It was just pulling all that heat. It was just basically all the material just getting stuck to the pump because it was hot. Started doing more inspection, went deeper into it, and I find out that the pumps that was internally damaged. So that's why it was drawing so much amp, and that's why it was blowing fuses left and right. So therefore, we replaced it with brand new pumps, and now the lift station is back in auto, working proper. Customers happy, we are happy, we're moving forward to the next one.